Most repair shops focus only on new customers, but the easiest money is repeat business. Let's build a simple email plus SMS system that keeps your bays full. Start with a customer list. Every invoice should capture name, phone, and email. Then create 3 automations. Automation 1, the Thank You Plus Review message. Send it 2 hours after pickup. Keep it short and include the review link. Automation 2, the Maintenance Reminder. Send it 90 days later for common services, oil change, brake check, battery health, or screen protector replacement. Personalize it. Last time we did, Gabri Wachitu. Automation 3, the Seasonal Offer. Think AC check in summer, battery in rainy season, wiper blades before storms. Send once a month max, don't spam. Every message should include 1 helpful tip, 1 offer, and 1 action button. Reply yes for an appointment. Add a VIP segment. Customers who spent above average or left 5-star reviews. Give them priority scheduling or a small perk. Measure results, replies, bookings, and revenue per campaign. Even a 5% reactivation rate can change your month. Keep unsubscribe easy and your list stays healthy. Helpful reminders beat noisy promos every time.